Inspiration Gallery. Let's take a look at it together. Scrolling down to the bottom of your main dashboard page is the Inspiration Gallery. It's also located in the same location on each of the specific craft pages. So this is a great location or database to house all of the information or images that inspire you. Right now it is set up as just image thumbnails, but each thumbnail really is an actual page that's part of this gallery database. So you can change it around to however you want it to look. If you want to create a new page, you can do that from the upper right hand corner here. Click New, or you can click that New Thumbnail at the bottom. And just like any other database, you can edit what it looks like and what you see. So you can use your filter to show only certain aspects based on the properties, or you can go to here, your three-dot menu, and you can change the layout. So maybe you want to look at it as more of a table or a list view, maybe a board based on status, timeline, calendar, etc. You also have options down here to change it, so you can show the actual database title. You can show what is seen on each thumbnail. So right now it's the page content, which is just that picture. And you can change the card size. So let's say you want to see bigger images. We'll change it to medium. And if you want to see the whole picture, again, you can change that fit image by toggling, and then you can see the entire picture for each inspiration page. Let's go ahead and create a new page together so you can see what that process looks like. I'm going to do it from this upper right hand corner, click New, and here's your template. You want to change the title to whatever works. Inspiration from flowers. I'm going to say floral inspiration. And this is actually going to be maybe something I use to create an embroidery pattern. So I'm going to have this pop up under my embroidery craft page. It will show up here as well as under the embroidery page. And I don't have any of this information yet, but if I did, I could certainly put in some files or in a web address here. And if there's an artist, I might want to give them credit here as well. Under usage, that's if you wanted to plan to keep the item that you are making from this, sell it, or gift it. It's up to you how you want to use that. And then there's some writing prompts. You can delete all of these, change them around, whatever you want to do with this, it's up to you. They're just there as an option. And here's where we're going to put our image. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that by clicking that six-dot menu, hitting replace. I'll use Unsplash for this one, and you don't see it here, but I'm going to be typing in flowers for my search. And let's see. I think I'm going to choose the sunflowers here. And there's my picture. When you go back to the gallery view here, it's the first one that pops up. So you can also change how these appear in terms of the order, and that would be best done by sort. So you sort it by specific properties. So maybe I want to sort them all by crafts, and then it'll do a ascending order, so alphabetical order starting from A going down to Z based on the craft that you've selected. So you can see here there are beads, right? So that's the craft that's going to be first alphabetically in our list. And that's your inspiration gallery.